I suck at League of Legends. I can guarantee that I'm way worse than you think. I started playing over 2 years ago, and I've been hard stuck in Iron 4 for basically the entire time. Now there's two main reasons that I suck. One is that I am mechanically broken, but the second reason is that my macro play sucks. I didn't grow up playing multiplayer games. This made me think, while I can't fix my mechanical brokenness, something that I can do is that I can build something to help me fix my macro problems. So here's my idea. I'm going to build a bot that's going to tell me, based on all of the data of the game, what play I should make from a macro level. Should I push out the lane? Should I go help with an objective? Should I go invade the jungle? I have no idea. And so in today's video, I'm going to build this from scratch and show you my process for building functional prototypes. And hopefully, I will finally get out of Iron 4. So when I start a new project, usually the first thing I like to do is just to put my unstructured stream of consciousness into ChatGPT using the voice dictation. So I have this idea for a project where basically I suck at League of Legends and I've been hard stuck in Iron 4 for basically my entire life. And I'm really bad mechanically, but I think I can make a bot that will help me know the right macro place to do. I know that League runs on a server on my computer, and so I can feed the data from that server into a Python script onto my Mac. And then this Python script will be essentially an AI agent where it will feed the data of the game into this AI agent, and the AI agent is going to analyze all this and it's going to tell me based on that data what the right macro move to make. So that was super unstructured. Like I said, it was just a stream of consciousness just to get my ideas out onto paper, so to speak. And then I'm just going to click submit here, and you're building a macro advisor bot that pulls real-time data, feeds that data into an AI agent. Every minute or so, it tells you what the smartest macro design is. Yeah, perfect. No need for Riot API keys. That's perfect. API keys sometimes can be a headache. So just a tech stack. So pulling the live data, Python plus requests, AI analysis, Gemini API. Yep. If you don't know, Gemini has a free tier of the API where you can use a lot of their models for free with limited use. So that's what we'll be doing. Displaying advice, terminal/Flask web app. I think we can start building a prototype. I'm probably just going to take all of this. I'm going to open a new project. I'm going to paste this in here. I'm going to paste in my API key along with the model that I want to use. Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite, just because it's the cheapest and it has the lowest latency. It also still has 1 million tokens of context, so I think we should be fine. It's really nice with Google that they give you free API credits or free usage up to a certain point for the Gemini APIs. And so it's extremely easy to use and extremely easy to build prototypes, which I very much appreciate. All right, so requirements looks like we just have some basic stuff here. Requests, Google Generative AI, Flask, Python. All right, this is the main League API script. So this part makes a request to the League API client, and from here we get the game data, we get the active player data, list of all the players, we get game statistics right here, we get game events, check for games currently active, all that looks good. And then we're going to get some formatted states here. So we're going to get game time minutes, game mode, team composition, objectives, recent events, and map state. I think all of those will be enough to give some good advice to me. Looks like we're also going to get the champion, position, level, kills, deaths, assists, CS, gold. And you're going to format the event details, analyze the map state, determine the game phase. Now let's look at the Gemini advisor script. So this is where we're actually going to be using the AI as an AI agent. So the prompt that it gave was, you are a professional League of Legends macro strategy advisor, analyze the current game state and provide specific actionable macro advice. That should be fine for now. We'll probably refine that after we do a little bit of testing. So this is the main script that we're going to run. That's going to run everything all together. And then looks like it made a templates folder with an index HTML file, just with some basic formatting, it looks like. So it's running main.py right now. So it looks like it loaded at the very least. So that's a great first step. Testing API connections, League client API, error making request. So there's no active game. So let's test this out and let's just see if it's going to work. So unfortunately, when I recorded this part, I got some really weird audio feedback and the audio sounds really bad. And so I'll just walk you through kind of what I was doing here. So I started a custom game just to do some initial testing with the script. And at this point, the script was running. And once I load into the game here in a second, the script is even going to detect that I'm in a game, which is actually huge. But right now I'm getting some errors for some reason. And so what I just did is I copy and pasted those errors and I put it back into Cursor. And there was a problem with the way that the League client was connecting to the Flask app. And so I did that. And then once I uploaded that, it actually did some really good revisions. I gave it just some recommendations to make it just 2 lines. So line of advice of what I should do for myself and 1 line of advice for what I should do for my team. So it's currently what it's fixing right now. And then I just have the game running in the background. And so as you can see, that's what it does now. It does 1 line of user advice and does 1 line of team advice. So I'm loading into another custom game right now just to try to figure it out. And that was our first round of testing. So for the second round of testing, I decided to queue up into a normal game. It worked kind of in my custom game testing, but I was having some problems And so I made this new view for us to see here, where the bottom is my window where you can see the League macro advisor. And then on the top, that's my gaming monitor where the League of Legends game will be. And so once I finally loaded into the game, there was a problem right away with the AI agent. So it was getting the data correctly, it was getting all the champion data, the CS data and everything. But the problem was that it thought I was a jungler for some reason, even though I was playing Lux mid. But when I looked at the debugging in the terminal afterwards, it recognized every single one of the champions that was in the game, both on the enemy team and on my team. So that was actually amazing news. But for some reason, it wasn't quite understanding who I was and what champion I was playing. In terms of the gameplay, you can see just in this video how terrible I am. I'm playing Lux mid, and I think in this game I ended up going 0-5. Unfortunately, due to how terrible I was playing, we FF'd at 15 minutes. But overall, I was extremely happy with how the agent was working, and the only thing that I had to fix from this was A, how terrible I was at the game, but B, just fixing the champion recognition. And so what I did to fix that is that I added a manual selection mode where I couldn't quite get the automatic champion selection to work, but I was able to program it so that I could put in my champion name and then use a drop-down menu to choose which lane I was, and it would give me advice based on that. So overall, I think this went very well. It definitely wasn't perfect and it didn't give me the best macro play every time, but for someone that is absolutely terrible like me, I think it's a super good tool. And to be honest, with a really good system prompt, I think that this could be super well refined and that you could get it to give you really good macro advice. The two main issues are that one, we need to fix the champion detection so that you don't need to put it in manually, and then two, just refining the system prompt so that it gives you better advice based on the different game stats. But yeah, if you like this video, leave a comment below, let me know what other ideas that you have, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Okay, I think that's it.